Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are waiting for Microsoft to announce the pricing of the Windows 10 operating system extended updates, because Windows 10 end of support is next year in October, one of the things that they were doing is it was offering, of course, 3 years of additional patches for security, but we're still waiting for what cost for the home user. Business users we already know, but home users still we have no idea. But there's another alternative that will give you even longer. 0Patch, which is a company that is patching security flaws for Windows. Actually, it's still patching Windows 7 if you subscribe to their service. And what they do is really nice. It's a micro patching. Basically, they fix in a different way than Windows. It's not like a big Windows update that you don't know if it's going to break something. It's quicker and it goes straight to just fixing the flaws. Well, the company 0Patch has announced today that they will offer 5 years of additional patches for Windows 10. So that means that when we get to end of support next year, 2025, for the price of around $27, $28 per year, you'll be getting security patches for Windows 10 for 5 years, which will bring your computer to 2030. So it's, I think, an inexpensive way of keeping your computer going on. And I'm probably going to subscribe to that on this machine that I have here because it'll keep it secure for 5 more years. So 0Patch is a well-known security update company. They actually have fixed and often fixed security flaws that Windows had months before Microsoft itself has fixed them. So they are well-known and are very popular among also business. So, yep, 5 years from 0Patch is going to be offered, which is pretty cool. That will give you 5 more years of Windows 10 if you wish to stay safe using the operating system. We'll wait what Microsoft is going to do and see also the pricing when Microsoft announces for the regular customers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.